Analog Devices Smoke Detection Evaluation Kit is an out-of-the-box evaluation platform for ADI's AD-PD188BI integrated optical module, which meets the strict UL 217 8th edition requirements and other regulatory standards for smoke alarm and fire detection systems. It's a highly integrated module with a blue LED, IR LED, 2 photodiodes, and an analog front end, all housed in a custom dual-cavity package that ensures emitted light passes through the smoke detection chamber before being received by the photodiodes. This results in 75% fewer components and 1/3 the power consumption of a discrete design. The AD-PD188BI uses dual wavelength detection, which results in high SNR and dynamic range and minimizes nuisance alarms. The parts are also factory calibrated to minimize part-to-part variation. The associated smoke evaluation kit includes an AD-PD188BI development board, smoke chamber, and MCU board. The smoke chamber is used to control the environment around the AD-PD188BI module, blocking out ambient light and large airborne particles, while the MCU board connects the AD-PD188BI module and a PC. Developers can use the ADI Wave Tool GUI to configure the smoke detection module and retrieve data. It also provides real-time analysis in the frequency domain and time domain. The AD-PD188BI module and its evaluation kit enable cutting-edge smoke detection in homes, smart buildings, and transportation applications. And to learn more about the Analog Devices Smoke Detection Evaluation Kit and the AD-PD188BI module it's based on, visit Mouser.com.